Hey everyone, it's Ashley, your independent Scentsy consultant. I'm so excited. My fall box, my Harvest Collection box has finally come. I'm starting with the Whiff box. I'm so excited. I feel like I've seen a couple spoilers. I haven't looked specifically at anything. I think maybe there's a hand soap, but I don't know scents or anything. Maybe a fragrance flower. I've seen a few sneaks as I've been trying to scroll past. This is the first month I've know the least, I guess, of what's in this box. So I'm so excited to get into it. It's the small box this go around. So I have a feeling no soaks or anything like that, Scentsy soaks. I'm so excited. Let's just go right in. This is the first time I don't know exactly what's in here before opening it. That's so sad to say, but I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, okay, this is so exciting. So here we go. Right on top, they have a Harvest Collection brochure. I love this because I got a pack of these and sent them out to my customers. I probably could have got 2 packs and sent them out because I totally ran out. Probably did 15 extra after I ran out. So I'm so glad that they're getting these into people's hands because if you're like me, you like having a tangible thing to hold on to. So yes, and a lot of this stuff is still available. So this is so exciting. Okay, and then next in here, we have the Pumpkin Cinnamon Swirl Scent Circle. I love Pumpkin Cinnamon Swirl, so I'm so excited about this. Okay, next we have some pods in Pumpkin Roll. I'm surprised there's pods in here, but honestly, I love a good pod, and I actually really like the pods in Pumpkin Roll. I don't like Pumpkin Roll as much as Pumpkin Cinnamon Swirl, but they don't have Pumpkin Cinnamon Swirl pods, so I've actually been really digging the Pumpkin Roll. If you don't have a Scentsy fan system and you got this Whiff box and you got pods, you can actually just put these above an air vent, or if you have in the ground air vents, you can set these right on top and they'll just blow fragrance right through. Anything that blows fragrance, you could put these right next to. If you have a fan at work, you could put it in front of your fan at work or fan at home, whatever the case may be, and the fan will blow around it and have fragrance. So even if you don't have a Scentsy system that works specifically with our pods and now you have pods, you can work around it that way. Just an FYI. I'm so excited. Here's where we are with the box. So I see a hand soap. It's in Bright Cider Life. I love Bright Cider Life. I love it. I love it. This is currently on back order on the workstation. I was wondering why, because you can only get this in the bundle in the actual Harvest Collection. It only is available in the hand soap bundle. You have to buy all 3. And Bright Cider Life was on back order, and I was like, I wonder why, because when they all be on back order, if they're all going out together, wouldn't they have the same quantity? But this totally makes sense because it is in the Whiff box. So I don't know if they only have so many, now it's on back order, if they'll start including a different hand soap in future Whiff box ones that go out. I ordered this on the 1st, so maybe if you ordered on the 4th, maybe you'll receive something different. I'm so excited. Bright Cider Life is my fave scent of fall. I love it. Okay, this is such a good box. Okay, fragrance flower, orchard, apple, and spice. This is one of the new fragrances, which is an autumn retreat of ripe orchard apple is complemented by bright cherry and finishing with a touch of warm spice. I actually ordered the 3-pack of fragrance flowers, which you'll see in my Harvest Collection haul. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna open this. I'll see what the wax it contains, and then depending what else we have, maybe I'll actually open it to smell it. Worst case, I will smell it in tomorrow's haul because I got the wax bar. So we have this tiny little container for the waxes. So let's open it. This is, there's no ice pack in here, but I can tell there's wax in here. Okay, so we got a, this is the Scent of the Month bar in Scary Good. I love this. I love it, I love it, I love it. I love Scary Good so much. And then we also got a little sample cup of the October scent of the month in Fairy Tale Pumpkin. I'm gonna open this and smell it. That's interesting that this is the scent they chose, this Orchard Apple and Spice. I wonder if, and even the Bright Cider Life, since these all come in 2 other products in the Harvest catalog, I wonder if each person kind of got a different product. I'm gonna watch a ton of Whiff box videos now that I'm done like unpackaging my own, so I guess I'll find out myself. But I feel like this was so much more exciting because I didn't know what was in it. Hopefully I can continue to hold back in future months, but I hope I can open this. I have these fake press-on nails, you guys, so like I'm a little bit at a disadvantage. I feel like this is kind of an odd, like not traditional fall scent, so we'll see. It's kind of weird. It kind of reminds me of like a berry bright type of scent, like a berry and like a spiced berry scent. I got it on my lips. I know some people, I did see, like, I don't know if you could call it a spoiler, but I know Lisa Roberry had said on Instagram that there was a slight grapiness. I don't know that I'm getting grape specifically, but definitely a berry, maybe even like a blackberry. I'm gonna have to warm this. I like it more than I thought I would, but it's very fruity. I dropped it. It's very fruity for this time of year, especially October. Actually though, I feel like last year's October scent of the month was Walnut Raisin Muffin, which was also very like fruity and not necessarily, like it's fall, but you can kind of use it whenever. It's kind of in the same vein as that, but this is just a tad more fruity. This is interesting. Once again, when I saw them talking about it and saw the notes, I thought I would like it less, but I'm still gonna warm it up and see what I think about it, and it'll be in my warm reviews. So I'm going to keep the fragrance flower packaged since I do have the actual wax bars in my haul that I will be unboxing next with you guys in the Harvest collection. But this was such a good box. So the fragrance flowers, I do believe, are $16 each. The pod is $10, so that's $26 alone. The bar, this is $5.40 for the month, so whatever, $5.40, $6. This is also $6, I'm pretty sure. And then $3 for the Scent Circle, which I might go hang in my car really soon. And then also a sneak peek of the next month's scent of the month, which you can't put a value on this, but like this is about 2 to 3 cubes of a bar in this sample. So if you were to put a price tag on it, I think it's pretty valuable because it's the next month's scent of the month. So it's so interesting. Sorry to go off here. It kind of is giving me reminiscent blackberry jam butter cookie vibes. Like if you've had that scent before in like vendor wax or wax in general. I'm gonna do some investigation on this one for sure. I have my scent of the month kit coming, so we'll see if I warm it, if I'm like, ugh, cancel. But I really like getting the scent of the month kit regardless if I like the scent or not, because I really like to get it in your guys' hands. But we'll see how I really feel about that one. So thank you so much for watching. If you got different products in your Whiff box, let me know down below. I know a couple of regions were maybe getting different things, but I'm really curious to see if like our own region 1, like US, Mexico, Canada, got the same, or if they're varying those as well, because I think that would kind of be fun too. So thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys being here. I'll see you next time. Bye.